OnePlus 7 is shaping up to be the most exciting phone of 2019. The Chinese phone manufacturer is expected to showcase the all-new OnePlus 7 device at the coming Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. There could also be another 5G OnePlus device this year. Ahead of the launch, a new image of the phone has been leaked online by Chinese tipster. The image shows that the OnePlus 7 will have a full-view edge-to-edge screen with no punch-hole camera. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the OnePlus 7. Excited? So let's get started. Let's start with the design. Earlier, OnePlus has used iPhone-ish notch in the OnePlus 6. OnePlus later implemented the water drop style notch in its OnePlus 60 devices, and now with the OnePlus 7, the company is getting rid of the notches altogether. Rumors are that OnePlus would come with a sliding front camera design. Over the last week, the tipster has tweeted a couple of OnePlus 7 images, both underscoring the notchless all-screen design. As per the leaks, the alert slider and the power key will remain on the right side of the frame, while the volume rockers will be positioned on the left side, just like the OnePlus 60. However, the rear side of the OnePlus 7 remains unseen. Going by these leaked OnePlus 7 images, it is certain that the OnePlus 7 will either house the front camera in a motorized pop-up module or it will adopt a sliding mechanism. That said, a previous leak had suggested that the single selfie snapper will be housed in the manual slider, similar to Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 and Honor Magic 2. Now let's talk about the specifications. It is worth reflecting on why OnePlus was at Qualcomm's aforementioned tech summit in Hawaii. It was to announce a partnership with a major chip manufacturer. So it is pretty obvious that the OnePlus 7 will come with a Snapdragon 855 chipset. The chip is built using a smaller 7nm process, so you can expect it to be significantly faster and more efficient than 2018's Snapdragon 845. OnePlus always fits its smartphones with stacks of RAM. Predicting 6GB or 8GB would be a safe bet, but there is reason to hope that OnePlus might go even further. The recently released OnePlus 60 McLaren edition packs a staggering 10GB of RAM, so it's safe to conclude that the OnePlus 7 might follow its lead. At last, let's talk about the pricing and the release date. The OnePlus 60 started at $549 and the prices have been gradually creeping up since the range began. So we would expect the OnePlus 7 will cost at least that much if not more. As for the release date, we are expecting OnePlus to bring the OnePlus 7 announcement even further forward. At Qualcomm's recent technology summit, OnePlus CEO Pete Lau officially confirmed that the company's next flagship phone would launch in early 2019. There is also the tantalizing but very slim possibility that OnePlus might unveil the OnePlus 7 at MWC 2019. However, this is unlikely to materialize. So guys, are you excited for the OnePlus 7? Do let me know that in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.